Have you ever wondered why we sometimes start sneezing when we step out into the sun? What does the sun have to do with my sneezing anyway? Oh, you see, there is a network of nerves on our face called the trigeminal nerve. Whenever an unwanted particle enters our nose, this nerve signals the brain, which commands, sneeze! Sneeze hard enough to cause an earthquake and expel that particle. Right next to it, the optic nerve passes through, carrying signals from our eyes to the brain about what we see. But in some people, this optic nerve is very sensitive. So as soon as they suddenly see a bright light, some signals from the optic nerve travel to the trigeminal nerve, and the brain thinks something has entered the nose. So sneeze! Sneeze so hard that it causes an earthquake.